Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You have your materials. Now begin repairing immediately. Thread a thin but strong nylon thread through the needle and tie a double knot at the end so it won't slip through. Push the needle through the existing hinge hole or thread a loop around the broken arm, using the magnifier and tiny pliers for control. Once the first pass is through, pull snugly, but don't over-tighten. You need tension without warping the frame. Make a couple of tight loops to anchor before moving on to the next stage. Continue by making multiple passes to distribute load across the repair. You'll stitch back and forth 4 to 6 times, keeping stitches close and parallel so the joint won't twist. This builds a miniature braided cord from the thread. Once each pass is laid, pull the thread tight with the pliers and realign the temple or hinge so lenses remain square. Tie a secure surgeon's knot and follow with a second knot for redundancy. Trim the thread to a short tail to reduce snagging and prepare for sealing. Finish by sealing the knot to prevent slippage. Apply a very small dot of clear nail polish or a toothpick-applied superglue over the knot and nearby wraps. Let it cure fully, at least 10-15 minutes, so the bond hardens without deforming the frame. Once dry, gently open and close the temple to confirm alignment and tension. Make sure lenses sit square. If the thread loosens later, retie immediately and consider adding a tiny epoxy patch over the area for extra.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.